Have you ever felt annoyed for such things on your beautiful clothes? Juice, sauce, wine, ketchup, blood, coffee, ink, and lipsticks. So what can we do with those? Let me take care of this. Choose Mr.Strong Instant Remover Pen. Virus stains vanish at one time. Here is a glance at product details. Product features: high-quality pen-like design, built-in 1-in tooltip without leakage, target stains and press to clean. Instant cleaning, fast removing fresh stains anytime and anywhere. Easy carrying, compact and portable. Each single package only weighs 18 grams, and you can put it in your bag or even wallet. Water-free, press it on stains without rinsing. Easy to use. Mild formula, pH value 6. Gentle for most fabric and does not contain bleach. How to use? Firstly, wipe out excess residue from stain. Secondly, press the tip onto the stain. Thirdly, rub tip gently across the stain to remove. One more time for tough stains. The pen can be used in various places like party, meeting, travel, and school. For more related products, we are offering pen sanitizer, hand sanitizer, paper soap, and so on. Why choose us? Professional product knowledge, experienced market knowledge, advanced R&D ability, best MFG units arrangement, on-spot supervision, best transportation recommendation, professional documentaries operation.
YNR. Live for better.